Viewers, we have a big breaking news coming in at the moment. Now, with connection to the Venezuela earthquake, now India has deployed a specialized Indian Army medical contingent to the earthquake-hit Venezuela. Now, Indian Army's medical aid team has left for the country. Operation Amistad, that has what has been named the Operation Amistad. India has sent emergency aid to Venezuela. A 41-member team of the Indian Army has been deployed for immediate quake relief. Operation Amistad has been named in this relief aid. The 41-member team of the Indian Army from the 60 Para Field Hospital, including 9 medical officers, departed today from India aboard the 2 Indian Air Force aircraft, now equipped to provide emergency medical care, trauma management, surgery and critical care. The contingent is carrying nearly 6 tons of medical stores and humanitarian aid, including the indigenously developed Visham Cube under India's Arogya Maitri project. All right, now I'm joined by my colleague Rakshita, who has more information and details on this. Let's go across to Rakshita for more information. Rakshita, tell us, does Operation Amistad, India sending Indian Army troops for the nation that has been hit by the earthquake? A major toll has been struck in Venezuela. Let's hear more from you.
Well, India has been always the first responder in crisis across the globe. When it comes to relief operations across the globe, when there is a humanitarian crisis, Indian Army, Indian Air Force, we've seen the Indian Navy, our forces have been the first to respond, and today we again see that one team of the Indian Army, the medical team, has been deployed. They have left, they have departed from India just a while back, and they will be deployed there. At least 9 officers are part of this 41-member contingent, and the portable medical hospital called the Bhishma Cube will also be deployed. It's a state-of-the-art hospital, indigenous and rapidly deployable modular medical facility that is designed specifically for disaster relief operations, and there is a lot of relief. In fact, even the External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has also tweeted regarding the same, and that India's portable field hospital will also be having the will have 60 para field hospital members with 9 officers and 35 tons of relief supplies, medical aid, medicines will be are part of this relief package that we have on the aircraft, the Sea Globe Master, C-19 Globe Master, and we've seen that India has been one of the first countries to respond to this crisis when this happened yesterday. Double quakes hitting Venezuela and the death toll has been rising. The rescue operations are also underway. The search for the victims is still underway under the debris. There are some still feared trapped, and the Indian Army team will, of course, is deployed for quick resistance, for relief efforts. Also, medical treatment for up to 200 patients can be supported as far as this Bhishma Cube is concerned, this portable field hospital is concerned. And they have portable ventilators, diagnostic equipment, surgical instruments, and we have 41 personnel, as I said earlier. And Operation Amistad has been launched by India. Now, what Amistad means is that in the local language there in Venezuela it means friendship. So yes, it is India's hand of friendship, India extending humanitarian aid to Venezuela. And yes, we are also awaiting when we get the news of the operation to begin, which will be, of course, starting as soon as they land. And we will be bringing those updates to our viewers.
Right. Thank you so much for all of those updates, Rakshita.